Be sure to predetermine the cutting distances for both the door and cabinet by using the charts provided in the Salice technical catalog. Select the cutting distance pin positions for both top and side of the cabinet. Keep the underside rails loose until the template is in position. Once the template is in place, ensure that the pins are turned so that the ball on the pin is facing outwards and doesn't touch the rails. Using the provided tool, lock the rails into place and remove the pins. To prevent movement of the parts, clamp the template to the work surface. Be certain that the clamps are positioned away from the cutting area of your particular router. The cabinet cutting is different in that it uses a sliding stop rail to reduce the cutting area, rather than changing a guide insert, as with the door template. The stop rail is to be secured in position for making the deeper cuts. For the 3mm deep cuts, slide the stop rail away from the template opening and lock it into place, making sure that the bushing can't contact the rail. With a 10mm bit and 3/4 inch diameter bushing installed in your plunge router, preset the router stops for 3mm and 42mm cutting depths. Protect your eyes, ears, and lungs with the proper safety equipment during all cutting processes. The debris will pack up between the guide and the template, preventing the bit from cutting fully on the first pass. Use compressed air to clear out the cut and make another pass. Repeat this process if needed until all material has been removed. Next, loosen the screw for the stop rail and slide it completely toward the cabinet side and lock into place. Change the router to the 42mm setting and make the second cut. You may find it best to make repeated plunging cuts in small increments to remove most of the material. Again, use compressed air to clear out the routed cut between passes. Once all possible material has been removed, you can remove the clamps, clear out the opening, and test the cutout with a hinge. Drill a 5/64 inch pilot hole before securing the hinge with the supplied 1-inch flathead screws.